Hello everyone. Today we talk about the topic hormone. So what is hormones? Hormones are natural substances produced in the body or chemical messengers also. And they have to relay message between cells and organ and affect mainly body functions. And everyone has what are considered male and female sex hormones and keep reading to learn more about the female sex hormone, how they fluctuate throughout your life in sign of a hormonal imbalance. Okay. So next, sex or reproductive hormone have multiple function in both male and females. In general, they are responsible for the development of secondary sex characteristics during puberty. Uh, Later in life, during adulthood, they are in change regulating reproductive cycle. In female, sex hormone are releases from ovary and regulate the menstrual cycle and control endometrial growth. And in male, they are produced in testes and play significant role in the sperm production process called the spermatogenesis. Next is the regulation of hormone production. Sex hormones are found in both male and females. However, their level differ based on sex. For instance, androgens are the main male hormone, while estrogen is the key female hormone. Aside from this, a system that regulates sex hormone production in the gonads work equally in both cases. The regulation in the reproductive function start in the brain, where can find two fundamental structures. Next is the type of female sex hormone. The two main types of female sex hormone are estrogen and the progesterone. Although testosterone are considered a male hormone, female are also produce and need a small amount of these two. First is the estrogen. Estrogen is a major female hormone, and the lion's share come from ovaries, but small amount are produced during the adrenal gland and the flat cell. And during pregnancy, the placenta also make estrogen. Estrogen play a big role in reproductive and sexual development. And the progesterone is a sex steroid, and it is key role overall menstrual cycles and most important during pregnancy. During pregnancy, in the ovaries and placenta are the organ responsible for the secretion of progesterone, although it may be released by the adrenal gland and the liver as well. As in the case of estradiol, progesterone production start during puberty and start dropping the menopausal woman progesterone and has a role in the development of secondary sex characteristics in some extent too. Next is the function of the estrogen. To promote endometrial respect in order to make embryo implantation possible and they relax the muscles of the uterus at the time of embryo implantations and thicken the cervical mucus in the order to create the mucus plug during pregnancy and to stimulate the production of milk after the delivery. And the testosterone, a small amount of testosterone come from the adrenal gland and ovaries. This hormone play a role in several body functions, including sexual desire, regulation of the menstrual cycle, and the bone and the muscle strength. And the male sex hormone, it's the natural substance made by glands and organ of the hormone, and they are occur naturally in body. And that treatment of prostate cancer can affect the amount of sex hormone body. This can affect you in different ways. Testosterone is the most important androgen, male sex hormone, and it's important for physical changes like during puberty, like development of penis, testicle, facial, body hair, and the muscles growth. And it's act on cell on the testicles to make sperm, and it's also important to overall good health. And it helps to grow the bone and affect mood and sex drive. And some testosterone is change in the estrogen. Now, last is the androgens. Androgens, male sex hormone that increases at the puberty and also responsible for the development of secondary sexual characteristics in the man, including facial as well as body hair growth and the voice change also. And their main function is to affect the bone and the muscles development and the metabolism. So, thank you so much.